Hi, you are welcome back to my channel, lovely people. Temi Z Highway Corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own anti-dandruff hair cream. If you are suffering from itchy scalp or dandruff, any scalp problem, just keep your fingers crossed. Today's video is for you. These are the chemicals that I'll be using for the video. In the meantime, I want you to like, share, subscribe, and keep sharing, please. I need this for my channel to grow. God bless you as you do so. So in the bowl, in the video, these are the chemicals. So the first thing you are seeing in that stainless is my old Vaseline, which I'm going to add to the production of the anti-dandruff hair cream, and it's going to be great. It's going to work perfectly for the cream. Yes, the next thing is sulfur. Yes, it's work against dandruff. The next thing is jelly, and also the color I use blue because I just love blue. So another thing is perfume, so that our cream will smell nice. And note, this cream is not for body, it's just for the hair. It is called hair cream and not body cream. So the next thing you are going to do is heat your pan. You'll be needing a gas, a stove, depending on the location that you are, what you use in that location. So for me, I'm using gas. So you use an old pot, like I said in my previous video. Don't use a new pot because of the smell. You pour in your paraffin oil into the hot pots, and when the paraffin oil is very hot, you put your wax. Yes, so the wax thickens your cream. As you can see that the paraffin oil is liquid, so adding the wax will solidify it. It will make it to thicken. So, and as you can see in the video, what am I doing? What I'm doing there is I'm trying to toast it about. I'm toasting my wax about with my spoon. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that it can speed up the melting process. It can make the wax melt very fast. As you can see, the wax is very strong. It's not soft. So whenever you go to the market and want to buy wax, make sure you are buying a very strong and solid wax. So you can toast it about. You may leave it like that in the hot paraffin oil. It's going to melt. It depends on what you want. So just leave it for about 5 minutes to melt completely into the paraffin oil. Yes, you make sure it melts completely. So the next thing that I'm going to add into my pot is my jelly. Of course, I need jelly. Yes, the jelly, as you can see in the video, you put in your jelly and you can toast about, like I said earlier. And if you wish not to toast about, you are good to go. It depends on what you like or what you wish to do. So, but for me, I'm trying to toast it about because I want it to melt very fast. And as you can see in the video, the style that I use, toasting it about, really worked for me. You can see it have melted in no time. So the next thing I'm going to add is my old Vaseline. Like I told you before, that I'm not going to trash it because it's going to be useful. So the next thing that I'm going to add is my shea butter. It works for the scalp. It's very you can Google shea butter. You will see that this shea butter is packed with lots of nutrients to enrich your hair, both for growth and work against dandruff. So you allow your shea butter to melt completely. The next thing I'm going to add is my sulfur. Sulfur work against dandruff. It help you to control dandruff in no time. So after pouring in your sulfur, you have to mix very well, because I don't want any shaft in my cream. I have to filter it off camera because I want a crystal clear cream. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my mentor. As you can see in the video, mentor also work against dandruff. If you add mentor into your anti-dandruff hair cream, it will make all the dandruff in your hair to disappear in no time. You will just love your hair. So the next thing that will go into my pot is, of course, my lovely color, that is blue. Yes, and as you can see, isn't it lovely? Look, lovely, and it is great. I love the color. It's so attractive, so catchy for the eyes, isn't it? It is. So you can use any color of your choice, ranging from yellow, green, and etc, etc. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my perfume. Note, for this perfume, don't add it immediately after you turn off the heat. You let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes. And why are you doing this? The reason for doing this is for your fragrance not to evaporate. You know you are not going to cover it immediately. So once you add your perfume after 4 minutes, your cream will smell very nice. It will smell the way it ought to smell. So I pour it into my container of the camera. It's cool. Let it cool before you pour into your container. I've already poured into my container. As you can see in the video, I have a very big container. I only used one. So this is what I got after 5 hours. You can see it has thickened, it has solidified, like I said at the beginning of the video. Can you see it? Isn't it lovely? And the color is great. I love the color. So after 12 hours, this is the result I got, and I'm very, very pleased with the result, because it is not too thick, it is not too light, just a perfect hair cream that I want for my hair. So this particular one that I made is for myself, because I'm not selling this, but you can, if you wish to do this and sell, it is very, very easy. If you have any question that you want to ask me, or you want one-on-one mentorship on how to make this in larger quantity, you can contact me in the comment section below for a token, and I'll be willing and happy to teach you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe. I will see you in my next video. God bless you all, my subscriber. Thank you very much. Please keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.